Hello, my name is Joe, and today I'll be showing you how to create galleries on your Artistech WordPress site and add images into those galleries. As you can see on my desktop, I have two images, two dog images and two cat images. We'll be creating two different galleries for the two different kinds of household animals. So first off, you're going to want to open your website and log in. I'm going to the website I'm using is a test website on artistech.net called examples.artistech.net. Yours is going to look a little different, but once we get into the back end of the gallery, it's going to be identical. So you'll be able to follow along super easily. So I'm going to go ahead and hit login. And once I log in, you'll see I'm in the back end of my website. This is the dashboard. So your first step, what you're going to want to do is hit the gallery master icon. If you don't see that there, you're going to want to contact Artistech so we can install your gallery for you. Next up, you're going to want to hit Add New Gallery. Once here, you can create a title for your gallery. We're just going to call ours Dogs. You can then create a gallery description that will show under your title. So we're going to say Images of Dogs pulled from Google. And I'm just going to copy that so we can use that description for our cats gallery too. Now go ahead and hit Next Step. Here's where we're going to upload our images and videos into our gallery. So your server will have a limit of how many files you can upload at one time. Mine happens to be 20, which won't make it a problem for us because we're only going to be uploading 2. So go ahead and hit Add Files, and once you're in there, select the files you'd like to add. You can select multiple files by clicking the first one, holding Control down on your keyboard, or Command if you're on Mac, and hitting the second. Next, you want to hit Open, and you'll see they will display in your browser. However, that's not enough. You're going to have to hit the Start Upload button at the bottom of the panel. You'll see when the progress bar hits 100%, you can go ahead and view your images. You can add a title, an alternate text, so if the image cannot display, it'll show that text, and then a description for the image. So we're just going to call this Laughing Dog. I'm only going to do this for one image because I think it's pretty self-explanatory on how to do the same thing for all the other images that you upload. For alt text, we can actually just use the same as the title because that's what we want them to see if the image cannot show up. And we're just going to say a picture of a dog laughing. Sorry about my spelling there. Better adjust that. Once you have set all the settings for all your pictures that you'd like, and these are totally optional too, you do not need to. You can go ahead and hit Next Step once again. And once that finishes loading, you'll just have to confirm the details. We've already done that, so just dogs, images of dogs pulled from Google. It'll show you the number and the date of creation. So we're going to go ahead and hit Save Changes and Close. Next up, we're going to perform the same set of tasks to create the cats gallery. So let's go ahead and type in cats there and paste our other one and go ahead and change that from dogs to cats. And once again, we're going to hit Next Step. And here we're going to be able to upload our images again. We're just going to go ahead and hit Add Files. Once again, you can hold down Control or Command to select multiple files and hit OK. You can then hit the Start Upload button, and once the progress bar is finished again, we will be able to advance to the next step, where we will once again confirm the changes we have just made. Okay, save changes and close. Next up, I'm going to show you how you can display your galleries now on a web page on your site. So first of all, you're going to want to hover over Pages and go ahead and hit Add New. Once you're on the Add New Page dialog, you're going to want to create a title for the page. I'm just going to call mine Galleries. Once you've created the page title, you can go ahead and publish that page, and we will be back in a second to this page to add the gallery. But we're going to want to go back to our Gallery Master and hit Shortcode Generator. Once you are here, you can choose the gallery you want to publish. We're going to choose dogs. And once you've chosen that gallery, go ahead and hit Generate Shortcode. All the other settings can be left how they are. If you want access to changing how the gallery items look, you can contact Artistech and we will install the pro version of the Gallery Master plugin for you and make it look the way you want it. So now we can highlight that code that's generated for you. You don't even have to understand that. Don't worry. It's just some code that the website will read. Right click it and hit copy. Now go ahead back to your page. Go to all pages. Select the page. Ours is called galleries. So we'll hit edit. And once you are in that page that you just previously created, you can go ahead and right click and press paste. Pretty easy. And now we're going to go ahead and hit update one more time. So next thing, we're going to put our cats gallery on the same page, so it'll display underneath it. So we're going to go back to the gallery master, go to the shortcode generator, and do the same task and just select the cats one and hit generate shortcode. Now we can select that, copy it once again, and go back to the pages list. Pretty easy. Now we can just hit edit on galleries, create a new line so it's not bunched up with the dogs gallery, and go ahead and paste that. Now we can go ahead and hit update, and the work is done for us. You see, it'll create a page for you in this permalink section. You can go ahead and click that, and it will take you to the page that we've created. Your website will look a little different than mine. You'll have your custom design that Artistech has created for you, but as you can see on mine, I'm using one of the default themes. It's called Sydney. But so we've created our dog gallery. You can see our title and description are there, and our cats gallery, and they've already fitted to the size of the box, so it keeps a nice clean looking display there. You can go ahead and click the images and browse through them full screen in gallery format. So you can put as many galleries on one page as you want. If you do decide you want to purchase the full version through Artistech of Gallery Master, what you can also do is display both of these galleries in one kind of gallery. So you can access dogs and cats in the same place, but still have them as separate galleries. Just contact Artistech through our website if you want that on your website. So next up, we're just going to go back. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can edit your galleries once you've already created them and add more images to the gallery. So all you have to do is go into your galleries, and you'll see the two galleries. We'll see gallery title dogs and gallery title cats. We're gonna go ahead and hit for the purpose of this, we're just gonna hit edit on cats, and you can edit the gallery details. Once again, hit next step. You can upload more images the exact same way as we did before. And once again, it will just get you to confirm the details and save the changes. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know for creating a gallery and setting up those images on your website. If you have any questions at all about setting up your gallery, just comment on this video or contact Artistech through our site, and we'll be happy to help you set it up. Have a great day.